Hi, in this video, I will show you how to cancel debit order on Capitec app. So, important note, a debit order is an instruction you give to a merchant to automatically take money from your account. You cannot cancel the payment after it has already been processed, but you can stop future debit orders. And in order to do that, simply open your Capitec mobile app and log in with your PIN or biometric. Tap transaction at the bottom, select debit orders from the list. This shows all active debit orders linked to your account. Scroll to see the list of merchants or debit orders. Tap the one you want to stop. After tapping the debit order, tap cancel debit order or similar wording, then confirm the cancellation when prompted. And no more payments can be pulled automatically. So, important notes, cancelling stops future debit orders, not ones already paid. Some merchants may still charge you manually if you owe money, and if a debit order reappears later, contact the merchant and ask them to stop debit orders on their side too. And if you can't find the debit order section, tap menu, top or left bottom right, go to banking services, look for debit orders, stop debit order. Navigation may differ slightly depending on app version. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.